hard enough in normal shoes, but heels and a tiara, that's impossible.
That means we can do it all, right, Mark?
Yeah. I couldn't do it in heels and tiara doing weather, much less out there. So we've got a lot to talk about as far as the rain goes, and we've had heavy rainfall. I'm updating all the storm tracks as we speak. And just to give you a fresh look at what we've got going on across parts of our viewing area. A live view right now shows a gorgeous shot down the Red Mountain line. Check that out. You can see those rain shafts. They're very definitive. I mean, it's pouring just south of 2059, and that's over there towards East Lake. The airport actually is just behind the cable here, so this gives you a little perspective. Just a solid downpour from this particular thunder shower and rain stretching all the way back over towards Irondale. 78 degrees right now at the Birmingham Shuttlesworth International Airport. 68 degrees dew point. That means the air is just full of water. And the showers and thunder showers have developed and been tracking towards the north and east all afternoon. Let's start off with the thunder showers and actually thunderstorms in a couple of spots in Etowah County. You can see heavy rain now from Gadsden back into Rainbow City, stretching back over into Piedmont, Hoax Bluff. You're getting some of this rain. Decent amount of lightning with this as well. So stay indoors, let the storms pass, or at least rain themselves out. Natville at 6:16 is when you'll start to hear the thunder, and Center, you'll be dealing with this at about 6:28, and eventually Cedar Bluff after that. The next batch that is actually a pretty healthy line through Tuscaloosa County. That will pass through McAdory at 6:22, eventually Birmingham at 6:45. And we've even got a couple of showers right now that are moving through downtown. But here's that batch of thunder showers I was just showing you on our live camera. Here's the rain from Irondale headed back down towards Leeds and Moody. Right now it's raining at the Bass Pro Shop as well as the Outlet Mall, stretching back up into Trussville. I've got a track on this taking it through Odenville and eventually into northeast Alabama. But I did want to show you there's a lot of lightning with these storms, especially around Tuscaloosa, south of Duncanville, back near the Mercedes plant. Driving along 2059 right now. I drove through there yesterday. I know there's still a little bit of construction going on, so you will find some slowdowns there. And here is the shower, which is just north of the Galleria now. And there's the intersection of 31 as well as 65. Mark's Outdoor Sports right up here. And these showers, again, tracking towards the north and east. So more of this will pass through Bessemer back into Helena. And I did want to show you the thunderstorm north of Tuscaloosa. Well, we actually had a live shot of it just a moment ago, and it was looking pretty impressive. But there is the tower camera again from Birmingham. So you get the idea. It looks just like that. Plenty of water falling. Storm track futurecast. Not a whole lot going on. We will see clouds, but then the chance of a shower begins to develop again tomorrow. But we will see drier air start to move in here soon, and it will have an impact on how much rain we're going to deal with across the southeast. And believe it or not, today is the first day of hurricane season, and we might be looking at a system in the Atlantic over the next few days. That bears some watching, but it will not affect us here in the southeast. So we will just have afternoon showers and thunder showers popping up at random. Here's your storm track, 7-day forecast. Next 3 days, temperatures, well, they start heating up with more sunshine and less rain. Scattered afternoon thunderstorms this weekend, but turning hot. 90 degrees, I say, is officially hot on Monday, Sherry.